not talking. And so that's real frustrating.
That was yes.
Yeah.
It's real
That
frustrating.
loan part and getting all of the documents in, it was something new every day. But it was the same thing, but it being asked in a different way by a different person.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I mean, they were. I don't know. It kind of made me wish that because we ended up going through their mortgage company, but we had got approved at our credit union. It kind of made me wish like to deal with the credit union instead of with their loan, but they offered us
a better deal. And that's why most new constructions they take the process just because they give you better lending opportunities.
Yeah.
And so that's a beautiful thing. You know what I mean? Because you get a good deal at the end of the day. You guys got a phenomenal deal.
Yes.
But I do want to ask you, when we went and looked at that model home, what made it stick? Because I think we looked at a few homes.
We looked at one down the street.
It was everything we wanted. But something was wrong. What was it?
Was it the? I think it was the back.
Well, I did like the distance. Like you ain't like elbow to elbow to your neighbors. You know, there was a lot of room. I did like that. Something. What was it?
It wasn't the patio down the street wasn't covered.
Yeah, it wasn't covered.
Yeah.
It was just a slab out there.
Yeah.
Was that an acre lot down there as well?
Yeah.
Oh, everything out here is an acre.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Acre plus. But yeah, that was. I actually liked that down the street. The it had 2 masters.
Yeah, that's what.
But I like the finishes on this house because that one had like a quartz countertop, and this one has the granite countertops. So it was more so when we walked in here, it was the covered patio for one. We're not elbow to elbow. I love the floors. All of the finishes were what drew us in. It was everything that we wanted. It was 3+ bedrooms, 2+ baths. Spacious, open, airy. So it just, I mean, I think we walked into this one and it was like, this is it. The model home, the decor and stuff was nice.
Of the home that we actually did the paperwork at.
Yeah, that one was nice, but I like our house better. That one was actually nice. They had it set up to sell for sure. Yeah, they had it set up to sell for sure. Yeah. And I remember walking into this one. It was like, man, this is it. You know, it's like we walked in here and we started creating the vision of, we're gonna do this with that. Yeah, we're gonna put the TV here. That's the part I like. When you walk in the home and you start envisioning how you're gonna live in it. Yeah, that's the icing on the cake for me, because that kind of helps me actually know obviously what you want, but it also lets me know where you are mentally, right? Yeah. And so you're not thinking about what house you're actually buying. You're thinking about how you're gonna live in this house. And so most people don't really consider that. Most people are like, oh yeah, I don't like the way the wall looks, or I don't like the fact that there's green algae on the side of the house. It's like, you can pressure wash that. You can repaint the wall. You know, you can repaint the wall. You know, you can make some adjustments in the house.
So like, I think y'all had came here before, or y'all had went
we were at that house down there
before I came in.
Yes.
So y'all already was like, he gonna like it. Or
I said you weren't gonna like it.
It was the shower and the bathroom together, or like
it wasn't a tub in the master. And you had been saying I need a tub in the master, but I mean, you walked in and you were like, I like this, and ain't on top of each other. I like this. We gonna buy a house today. I was like, okay.
Yeah. Now
that was insane.
Yeah. Was y'all nervous?
Yeah.
When y'all didn't expect for it to happen like right there, did you?
Like we looked at the house and we put a down payment on the house the same day.
Yeah.
Like that was
the whole talk going on. We just got bought a house.
Yeah. Did it just happen?
We just got big.
Yeah.
We about to buy a house.
It was like, oh.
Was y'all excited?
Excited and nervous.
Yeah.
And it was right before Thanksgiving too.
It was
like,
it was.
What are we doing?
Right.
What are we really doing? We really about to buy a house? Like that's what I was saying.
Right before the holidays.
Because we were
in 2 separate cars. I called him. I was like, after we put the down payment down, it's like, we really buying a house?
Yeah.
And we still had our lease. So it was like, okay.
Now, let me ask you this. Did you almost feel like, nah, that was too fast? Or like, are we making the right decision? Did you feel like that?
That was definitely that feeling. And in the process of everything going on, they called us every day asking for this and that. She was like, "What did this tell us we didn't get approved? Well, they don't want us to move in this house. We don't make enough money or something wrong.
Yeah.
They just prolong. It's taking too long. It's not take that long.
Yeah.
We ain't getting this house.
Yeah.
Then process going a little bit more, and she sees something else a little different. Like everyth's
you still actively looking.
Like, well, we might get it. I don't know. Good. Then it kept on going. She said, "Damn, this gonna come down all the way to the end, and they gonna say y'all don't qualify. We ain't gonna get that house. I'm gonna be so mad. Well, she called me that day. She was like, "Oh, baby," I said, "What?" We got our house.
I mean, that was a good feeling. Like
it was, yeah.
It was. I've had homes before, but I was never a part of the purchasing process. So this was a good feeling for me. But it was daunting. Like every day we need to see this, we need to see that, we need proof of this. I'm like, I've sent you everything I can send you except for a pint of blood. What do you want?